Hello, my name is Alison, and in this video I'll be giving you some tips on how to use a hand lens for monitoring in your orchard. We recommend using a 10 times hand lens as they give enough magnification to see the things you'll be looking for but can't make out with the naked eye. They're also compact, and although they can take a bit of practice to get used to, they are easy to use. So unlike a magnifying glass that you hold out at arm's length and move in and out to get your focus, with your hand lens you bring it right up close to your eye and keep it still. If you're like me and wear glasses, you can either keep them on or take them off. So you actually keep both eyes open when using a hand lens like this, and that helps prevent eye strain. It doesn't impede your view, but remember to look through your dominant eye. So hold the hand lens up close to your eye and bring the sample in until it's in focus. This is usually about 1 inch away. Then you move the leaf around until you've looked over the entire area that you need to. If you're finding it difficult to keep the hand lens still, you can rest your thumb against your cheekbone, and then you can rest this hand against that one as well, giving you a bit more stability. It's also really good if you can position yourself with the sun shining over your shoulder, and that way you get plenty of light on the sample and it's much easier to see things. Some hand lenses come with a built-in light, such as this one, which are useful if you find yourself monitoring in low light conditions, such as under a dense canopy. If you decide that a hand lens is not the magnifying tool for you, there are plenty of other options, all with their own positives and drawbacks. Check out my other video as I run through some of those other options available. I hope you found those tips useful, and thanks for watching.